Nice kitchen. Hubs. Oi. Mamerto will see this. Abi, maybe like this?
What are you going to put on that?
For the onions, something like that. Ganda dito. Oh. Built
I
in.
feel like there's probably bowls at the
Okay.
bottom.
Hey, this is the one that I want. This one, oh, happy. Mirror. Get me a mirror. Mirror hanging on the wall. I have a mirror. I need mirror.
Yeah, we don't necessarily have any clothes now.
This hubby goes to the bathroom. You should just get this. The bathroom. Nasa Ikea kami, guys. Ikea. Yeah, just like that. But a bit smaller. Too small. Yeah.
Onions are big, you know.
And potatoes.
And potatoes.
Yeah.
Well, why do you want smaller then?
Bigger. I like the bigger one.
You said smaller.
That is small. I need the bigger one.
My brain needs to be bigger.
Crazy. Ganda, guys. Ganda dito. Wala to sa ano eh. Yung Ikea
That's
doon
what
sa
I
atin.
wanted for knives and forks.
Yeah.
Ranges. How much is it? £2.
You have already, right?
I know, this is what I really wanted though, so it's right.
Eh.
It's alright.
That's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We don't need that. You have still one. Just one. We need this? No.
It's for like putting things on that are hot.
Yeah.
So you could do it if you want.
Yeah.
Got some. How much on?
2 quid. 2 quid. Quid. Hubby, you know quid in our Philippines, in our dialect like this. Oh. Quid. Quid. Ay, dito quid yun. This one.
You need it, woman.
Quid. No? I don't cook, right?
You're picking it up, so I'm hungry.
Habs.
Plan.
What plan? Planning for cooking? No.
What's that for?
I don't want to cook. Mga ano nila guys, of microwave oven. There is, Abi, come here ah. There is microwave oven already. Oh.
You've got a microwave.
Yeah, we have.
Want to show me that?
But this is like bigger
Okay, we ain't got room
thingy.
for bigger.
Yeah.
Ours is already a fitted kitchen. Ours already cost £3,000.
Ref.
That's how much it costs, right?
Refrigerator. Maybe this one. I need this, right?
Yep.
I don't like this.
Well, why do you say
The one that has sealed. The sealed is like wood.
I think your brain's a little bit broken.
I need container, but not like that.
You said, I need this. This is what I need. Look, no, not that.
Oh, what's this?
What for?
Don't know. I'm asking.
You said, oh, I want this. What
Up
for?
the terra? Utensil tray. Ay, Abi. Why they don't have the what you call that?
I don't know
The
what
one
you
that-
chatting, woman.
I forgot again. Just like this. Oh, yan.
Want that?
Yeah.
What, aesthetic? You want that aesthetic or this?
White
Well, then grab it.
Get white. This one?
Whatever you want, supreme leader.
You say master. Abi, master. You say master. 8, Habi. 8 quid. 8. 8. 8. I know what I'm going to get now.
You'll get something at some point, so when do you think you're going to get it?
Yeah.